it is full of challenges. We mourn, we cry, we sorrow, we're full of sadness for those lives which have been lost. Those innocent lives, those innocent children from Chimanimani. Those innocent parents and guardians from Chipinge. Little did they know that that would be the last day they would see their beloved ones. How kind and how marvelous, how good are the hearts of all our dear friends and relatives here in Zimbabwe. They were so kind, they were so loving, that they were willing to share or to impart the little that they have to those who have lost, to those who are gone. They are gone, yes, but in actual sense, they are gone forever. We know and we believe that the day will come one day that we'll be reunited as one big family. Ah, you guys.